So apparently the system actually worked like this. You can have mismatching testimonies, a missing bodyguard who doesn't even come to the trial, an ex-friend who actually refuses to actually testify against Tory, even though she has immunity, inconclusive evidence of the night of that shooting. Both ex-friends are actually banging each other's partners behind their back. And also, let's not forget, we did have popular celebrities who decided to unfollow the American rapper earlier this year. All of this has happened, and Tory Lanez has been found guilty. Everybody pack up your bags. Understand this 2-week trial is done. The verdict is in. Bro, this trial went faster than the Johnny Depp and Amber Heard case. And they actually had conclusive evidence. They had proof. And it took months for that to happen. This took 2 weeks. Hey, I'm gonna tell you right now, they said after OJ, that was it. Nah, hold on. Before anybody want to jump down my neck, I am not advocating the violence between people, and especially between women or black women for that matter. But we have inconclusive evidence out here. So it says here, the verdict came in Friday just before the holiday. Dang. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to you too. That's one way to end the year, right? Where a group of LA jurors found the Canadian rapper guilty of all 3 charges against him: felony negligent discharge of a firearm, assault with a semi-automatic firearm, and carrying a loaded and unregistered firearm. All right, hold on, wait. So let me get this straight. So we had inconclusive evidence, and apparently it was an unregistered firearm. How do y'all even know that it was his firearm because it's unregistered? I mean, look, I'm sure there's going to be more to this story. So if y'all want to check out some real attorneys out up on here and the attorneys in the making, I would recommend AV to the 7th Power, the lead attorney, and Uncle Dennis Sperling. He's not my uncle. But no, that's so cringe. This marks the conclusion of a wild 2 weeks in court, which saw a handful of witnesses take the stand to recount what they say happened on that fateful night of the shooting. All right, so I'm not in this courtroom, but if we're gonna go ahead and say this, let's not forget all 3 of them were inebriated. Kylie Jenner actually said that everybody was tore up. Y'all can't stay here. Y'all got to get the hell on out. This love triangle thing where both of these individuals actually slept with Tory, and they actually slept with a few other people in the industry, such as Ben Simmons and DaBaby, but we ain't even gonna go ahead and talk about that. So somebody still riddle me this, right? Kelsey had gunpowder actually on her, while Tory Lanez have gunpowder too. I don't know if anybody ever fired a gun. I'm not trying to get all in forensic science on you or anything, but yes, that gunpowder, especially if close, can get on anybody else. They have matched that there are actually 2 forms of DNA that was at least on that gun. There was no DNA for Tory Lanez on the magazine or on the bullets. They never actually did a DNA test with Kelsey though. And then if it was, like, hear me out. If it was Tory Lanez's gun, then we would have found Tory Lanez's DNA over the bullets, over the magazine. One thing I'll have to say to Tory, if you really came out here to the US as a foreigner and you brought an unregistered gun, and especially in the state of California.
Now what's up? Mike! He's a former ganja smoking motherfucker. He ain't worth it. Do you want something? I'll bust your ass too. So sad. You on your own, JoJo.
You on your own if you actually did that. But there's no proof. How can you actually prove that an unregistered weapon belongs to this person? And we over here talking about Tory Lanez. I mean, Tory Lanez? Man, yo, dude is the average Pookie and Ray Ray out here. That bad boy energy. We got the face tats. He got the drip. You know, unregistered firearms. Oh, man, this man got these women out here gushing with. And it's what these women out here likes. Hey, maybe Meg would think twice on the sexual partners that she have. Right about now, I'm pretty sure it's dried in the Saharan desert up out here. Or at least we could say that for Tory.
Soap drop, nigga. Yeah. Oh, you think you just gonna leave it down there? No. Huh? We don't waste no motherfucking soap in here.